Hello and welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today we'll be looking at copy and paste and how it can help you in SpaceClaim. Copy and paste is located in the top left hand of the screen, and we'll start off by showing the many ways you can use it. First of all, you can copy and paste an entire solid back into your window. This can be used to preserve geometry before you make change to another one. So you can see we now have both solids lined up. But you can do more than just copy solids with copy and paste. You can take protrusions and copy them, click somewhere else in your design, and paste them back in. You'll also be able to do this with depressions as well. And you can use a shortcut, Control-C, Control-V. Now also notice that you can copy and paste depressions and protrusions wherever you'd like. It gets pasted in exactly where you click on the model. And if it's not where you'd like it to be in its final state, you can always go through and create precise ruler dimensions to get them exactly where they need to be. But in addition to just copying simple protrusions and simple depressions, you can also copy more complex geometry, like this indented text, for instance. We can copy that with Control-C and paste it onto our next level to change its location. Now let's go from these simple examples to a more complex one. Here we have a protrusion on the model that we might need to take and reuse in another design. So by simply box selecting it, I can copy it from one window, open up our new design, and paste it back in. And notice that I'm pasting it into a curved surface. So when it pastes in, it lines itself up, but it's not exactly touching. So I might need to select on the bottom of it and pull it through, and when I do so, both solids combine together into one. And we can clean it up and add a round on the bottom to finish off the model. But another thing copy and paste can do for you is to take measurements and mass properties that you might get in SpaceClaim. For instance, we have the circular perimeter, so we might want to take that, create a note, and all I have to do is paste it in. Any measurement is automatically placed on the clipboard. So I hope you've seen the many ways copy and paste can be used in SpaceClaim. Thank you for watching.